In this video I am explaining about in-charge jog button wiring diagram. This is PLC. It is having two inputs. One is for inch enable and two is for inch. This is the female connector. It is connected to the machine. It is having four terminals. Terminal 1 is connected to 24 volts. Terminal 2 is connected as inch enable input to the PLC. Terminal 3 is connected as inch input to the PLC. This is the male connector, which is connected to the jog or inch push button. It is having four terminals. Terminal 1 and 2 is connected in loop. Terminal 1 is connected to inch or jog push button NO terminal 1 end, and the other end is connected to the terminal 3. This is the wiring diagram for jog or inch push button. Now we will discuss how the jog or inch push button works. If we connect the jog button male connector with the female connector, then the 24 volts go from terminal 1 to 2 and the inch enable input will go to PLC. After that, if you press the inch push button, then the 24 volts will go from terminal 1 to 3 through NO push button. So the inch input will go to the PLC from the terminal number 3. Once the inch input is go to the PLC, then the machine will start.